Where did you study?
Stay?
Study.
Study in TESDA.
School.
Yeah.
You study Pilot Effort. Do you enjoy doing massage?
Because I'll help.
You like to heal people. What's your name?
Aris.
Sorry?
Aris.
Aris.
I work in El Nido. El Nido, Palawan.
Good